What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So if you're someone who uses AI regularly for work, content creation or business, you already know the problem. You might be using ChatGPT for writing, Perplexity for research, Gemini for experiments and another tools for images or videos. Each tool is good at something, but together they are very expensive. If you check out the pricing of Grok, it will cost you 700 rupees per month. Perplexity will cost you somewhere around $20 a month. And if you use ChatGPT, that costs you 1999 rupees per month. But today I have something interesting. I'm testing a platform that claims it can replace all of these tools with a single subscription, starting at just rupees $8 per month. Is this actually useful or is just something marketing? Let's find out. By the way guys, this video is sponsored by i10x. But I agreed because the concept itself was interesting. So whenever someone says all AI tools in one place, my first thought is always whether it actually works in the real world use. So instead of listing these features, I'll show you how I personally use this platform. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So iX10 is an all-in-one AI workshop that gives you access to multiple leading AI models inside one dashboard. You can now choose between the best AI for writing, research, creative work without paying for multiple subscriptions. The dashboard includes AI chat, chat arena, AI image, deep research, PDF and document, AI video, and even things like agent builder. The layout is clean and easy to navigate. You can easily switch between different AI models depending on the task instead of being logged into one. Chat arena also lets you compare the results side by side using the same prompt. So let's give a prompt over here. So I've written suggest me 5 engaging YouTube video ideas for my tech channel focused on OnePlus 15R and OnePlus 13S performance comparison. And from here you can select between the AI models. So in the first model, let's keep GPT 5.1 and for the second, let's keep Gemini 2.5 Pro. And after sending the command, GPT 5.2 is quite fast over here in suggesting video ideas. So depending on what you require and what you want to test in terms of performance, you guys can pick that particular model after seeing the comparison. Under AI chat, you can use it for research. You can select the model whichever you want to use. I particularly use GPT 5.2 as that's the latest one, and you can see guys, all the latest AI models are included. Soon they are released. So here we have the GPT 5.2. Mostly I use the GPT 5.2 while I'm writing articles or doing some research. So with a single click you can switch between the AI models under AI chat. Then under AI images, you can generate thumbnails, social media images without switching tools. So for example, I'm about to do a Q&A session on our YouTube channel, and the prompt is generate a realistic image of creator answering questions of their audience. I'll select Google's Nano Banana model. And if you have any reference image, you can also add that image. And after that, you can also select the format JPG or PNG. I'll select JPG and tap on generate. And there you can see the image actually looks realistic. You can just download it. So here you can easily generate realistic images. Then we also have AI video tool, which lets you create realistic videos also. So for video generation, I always use Google Veo 3.1. And after that, you can give a prompt. And if you want something similar prompts, like you can just give a command in the AI chat and just write it over here. Give me similar prompts for video generation and hit enter. So here we have got some prompts. What I'll do, I'll select one of them and just copy paste it. Go to AI video models, select AI model, which is Google Veo 3.1, and paste the prompt. After that, you have option to select the aspect ratio. Either you can keep it 16:9 or 9:16. And if you have any reference image, you can upload that also. And beneath that, you also have negative prompt, which says description of what to exclude from the generated video. That can be done. You can select the resolution, either 720 or 1080p. We also have an option to generate audio. Now let's tap on generate video and let's wait for the video to be generated. So video is ready. It hardly took around 2 to 3 minutes. Now let me play this video and show you guys. You can see how realistic this video looks, and with that nice audio in the background. So this way you can generate videos. After that, we also have an option called Agent Builder. Here you can create your own agents. By selecting the AI model, you can select the category. After that, agent name, you can set agent name, short description and custom prompts. And if you guys don't want to create agents, iX10 already have some agents. Just tap on this Discover tab, and here you can see there are a lot of agents already created. like AI image generator, AI background removal, AI background changer, and many more. So you can also use these pre-built agents. After that, under agent builder itself, you'll see there's an option of create chatbot. Again, similar way, you can select the AI model, given name like customer support bot, description and system prompts. Basically, you can create AI chatbots that learns your website and handles customer queries automatically. So you always don't have to manually reply to the queries coming on your website. You can easily create a chatbot and that will handle everything. Pricing for i10X start at $8 per month. At current exchange rate, you can grab it for 720 rupees per month in India. For comparison, many people pay more than this for just one AI subscription. If you guys want to try it out, link can be found in the description below. You can also use the code AKM15 to save additional 15%. And you can also start with a free plan if you just want to test it out first. So is i10X perfect? See, no tool is perfect, but for the pricing, flexibility, convenience are hard to ignore. If you are tired of managing multiple AI tools and subscription, this is definitely worth trying. All the links are given in the description below. Make sure to check it out. So guys, this was all about this i10X platform. If you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.